friends, this is Amisha from the Jam Lab, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Mexican burrito bowl using cauliflower medley riced veggies from Earthbound Farm. Here it is. Great product. I would like to introduce you to my little helpers. That's Inishka and that's Rashan. Say hi.
Hi.
Do you like these burrito bowls?
I love them. They're scrumptious in my thumb.
They're yummy in my tummy tums.
I am mixing butternut squash and sweet potatoes with some ancho chilies, smoked paprika, and salt and pepper and olive oil and chipotle. I am mixing these vegetables in this bowl, and then I'm going to put it onto this tray, and then I'm going to put it in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes.
Okay.
I'm going cheddar cheese for the burrito bowl.
Is it fun?
Yes.
Come on, Rashan, you can do it. He's still going strong. Great, great, great. The roasted veggies just came out of the oven and they look beautiful. Do you see that? All the steam coming out. I always make extra so that I can use it in salads as well. And this can be made a day in advance. Now I'm making the cilantro lime fried rice with the cauliflower medley riced veggies from Earthbound Farm. I have onion and garlic sauteing in a little bit of olive oil. I added the entire packet of the cauliflower medley riced veggies from Earthbound Farm into the pan, and I'm just sauteing it for a minute or so. I'll add a little bit of salt and pepper and then cover it and let I'm simply flavoring the black beans with olive oil, garlic, smoked paprika, cumin powder, salt and pepper, and I'll mix it for a couple minutes and the black beans are done. I like to flavor everything. So I'm all ready to boil it. I have the black beans, the rice, the roasted veggies, cheese, pico de gallo that I made yesterday, the pepita sauce that I made yesterday, and then I have the sliced avocado. Just a quick recap on the pepita sauce. I made it with pepitas, Greek yogurt, lime, cilantro, 1 charred jalapeno, and a clove of garlic, salt. That's it. Burrito bowls are ready, and these guys are digging into it.
It's really good.
Is it good? Yeah. Rashan, how do you like it?
Good.
Good? Too busy eating. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. This was so much fun. The burrito bowl recipe is on my blog, thejamlab.co.
Thank you guys for watching so much. I'm happy you enjoyed us coming on her channel.